name is John Timmerman. I'm the Global Marketing Manager for Teradata's Customer Management Solutions Technology Suite. And one of the technology topics I've been spending a lot of time focusing on recently is how to manage customer management facing technology in recessionary times. We really need to focus on not only driving top line growth, but driving cost out of the organization in order to maintain profit in a sustainable way. And you can maintain profit if you're looking at one of those, but if you can look at both of them, you're able to more consistently drive profit across the entire organization. And ideally, you would be making it during ordinary times, and you would continue that, and you would be able to fine-tune that during recessionary times. You would have a better feel for who the top quality customers or top value customers that you wanted to focus on for upsell, for loyalty, for retention, for growth. But it's even more critical, I think, during recessionary times, because that's an opportunity for you as an organization to differentiate yourself and actually capture more market share, but you still have to do that in an intelligent and well thought out way that's not adding incremental cost to the organization and automating back-end processes that allows you to continue to drive innovation and differentiate yourself from the competition, which will make you in a stronger position once the economy turns back around. We've seen that a lot of customers today are actually putting in place a chief customer officer, and so it's kind of a combination of what was once the chief marketing officer and the chief information officer really directing their focus externally to the market. I think a lot of times the CIO is looking at what are the systems that I have in place and how do I make operational efficiency out of those, and the chief marketing officer is looking at my marketing organization, how do I consistently operationalize the process and measure the process, but a chief customer officer actually turns those two attentions out to what's the impact of those business decisions that I'm making on the ultimate customer response to me as a business. I think one of the common mistakes is trying to do too much too soon. That I'm going to take all the customer information that I have, expose it to every channel that I have, and basically you've just multiplied the problem. And so now you have 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 different channels all converging on the same customer, and they're hitting them with repetitive messaging, redundant messaging, or often conflicting messaging because you don't have an overall organizational control mechanism that's monitoring all of those channels and applying business consistent logic across all those communication channels. Traditionally, in the North American market, people have been throwing a lot of money at the marketing function, whereas in developing economies have been much more restrictive in how much money they've been throwing at that. But I think that the developing economies have been doing it almost more intelligently because they've had to focus, where am I going to make customer-facing investments? What's the return that I'm going to get out of that in order to justify the next investment? Whereas prior to the recessionary times in the North American market, people were so flush with cash that they were saying, I'm going to make all of these customer-facing investments, and it ended up that they weren't always the best investment or the most coordinated investments that they could make. And so I actually think that some of the developing economies have a better grasp of what they need to do because they've had more rigor in their decisioning process, putting more measurement in place. And so now that as the economic crisis has forced us to focus more on how am I justifying this, this expenditure, the developing economies have been doing that longer, whereas the North American market, the American market in general, has been neglecting that. They were just throwing money out at the customer channels, and they're just learning how do I justify every single dollar that I'm spending. Shukriya and salam alaikum.